Hi everyone, today we are going to learn that how you can make these type of clip arts in like 100 and 500 of them in less than 10 to 15 minutes. I have used food as example, and I'm going to share with you how I made these 100 clip arts in like less than 10 minutes. And you can use any of the clip art you want as reference and make 100 of them using like what 2 to 3 prompts and very few AI tools. So let's get started. Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my ANW Digital Studio. And as you guys know that clip arts right now are one of the most common selling thing on Etsy. I do have some proof to show to you that how clip arts on Etsy are working. If you see few of the clip arts, you're going to see that this zoo clip art is already on 1.2k, so it means that 1200 people have already bought it. And this vintage kind of watercolor clip art, 3600 people have bought it, right? So you can also make clip art and you can sell it on Etsy. But what one thing that I have seen is that if you see here, these are 59 clip arts and it's very difficult to make each one of them. Yes, you have time, make it, but since like if you are selling like 100 to 200 clip arts, it will take you a day to make them and to like if it's perfect or not and everything, right? So today I'm going to show you the one of the most shortest method to make it, and you just have to do the copy paste thing and everything will be done, and then we will go to Canva and make them high quality and just sell them on Etsy. You can do anything else if you want to do as well. Okay, so how we are going to do is that we go to ChatGPT. Before ChatGPT, I go to Pinterest. So what I did on Pinterest is that I search for some food clip arts. Like I want to sell food clip arts on my channel, so I'll see which clip art from here I like. For example, okay, you can search I like this pizza clip art, right? So what I'm going to do is that I am going to download this. After you have downloaded it, you go to ChatGPT, you paste that image of the pizza and you write one paragraph detailed prompt to make exactly this image and no text, right? It is going to analyze the image and it is going to give you one complete prompt. Make sure that the prompt is one paragraph prompt, it is not divided into different paragraphs, right? After that, you go to Claude. The reason for going to Claude is that chat gpt basically does not sometimes don't give you such long answers since you want like 100 images like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go to Claude, write 100 prompt just like the attached prompt, write same art style, same thing and same output, but different food item each time. So what you do is that you copy this prompt that you have written in Chat GPT has given to you. You copy this prompt and you paste here in Claude, and before this prompt of Chat GPT, you give it this prompt. So I have write 100 prompts just like the attached prompt, same art style, same thing and same output, but different food each time, which means it will write the art style exactly like this and it will just change the food item each time, right? You have to include all food items that are fast food, home cooked. You can include this line, it's option, and write to number each prompt as well, and then you're going to give this command to Claude. Claude will take some time and it will give you the result. So before Claude gives you the result, I'm going to tell what are you going to do in the meanwhile. You are going to go to Google Chrome. Okay, remember to go to Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome you write Zapiwala extension. So basically the extension I'm using is not my extension. You can check on the screen. This is the Zapi Flow or Zapiwala AI YouTube channel that has given us this extension. This is one of the far best extensions I've used on Google Chrome, and with this extension you can literally just make images in a minute. So and remember that Zapiwala Flow is basically made for Google Flow. So Google Flow free account, and you're going to make everything in less than 5 to 10 minutes. I have already added this extension over here with me. You can add this extension, and this is what the extension looks like. Don't get afraid, I'm going to explain it to you each and everything. After that, you go to Google Flow till the time Claude give us the result things as well. Make sure you are in Google Flow right now. You go to new project and you open the Zapi Flow, I don't know what is it. So you open the extension over here. Right now just change the download folder name to food clip art, right? Don't change anything right now. Okay, so Claude is giving the result. You need to wait till Claude give the result. Add Zapi Flow. Basically what it will do is that you just need to paste all the 100 prompts over here that Claude will give, and it will make exactly 100 images. You just don't need to close the window. You can do any other thing on the laptop and it will keep making the things. But remember, one thing that I'm going to tell you is that make sure that each prompt is one paragraph. I'll let you know why. For example, this is one paragraph to make an image, right? I write it over here, so it's showing in the queue that it's one prompt. If I just add like one uh, one space, like one line next, you can see it's showing two prompts. It means it will make two images instead of making one image. I hope that is clear, right? So just make sure that one prompt is one paragraph. One prompt means one prompt for the image is one paragraph. Okay, for here you're going to choose Nano Banana image. Remember, in Google Flow, image making is completely free. It uses Nano Banana Pro. I am going to keep the size 1 and I'm going to then increase the size in Canva. Okay, so as you can see, this is the result that Claude have given. Why I have written it to number it as well. So what will happen is that when your output comes from Google Flow, the each image will also be numbered as 1 2 3 4 5. Now you just copy this. It's copying 100 prompts. You come to the prompt queue and you paste all of them. You can see it's showing 102 prompt, but I just want like 100 prompts. Why are there 2 extra? So what happened is that each prompt is one paragraph based, but in the top on Claude, since I copy it all together, these 2 paragraphs are separately also placed there. Zapi Flow will make the image, but I don't want them, so I'll just remove these and my prompt will start from 1. So Zapi Flow will treat this as one prompt, then it will go to the second prompt and then third, and the second prompt and then third and fourth. So that is why it should be one prompt. Now once it's done, it's showing me 100 prompts. It means that Claude has given me 100 prompts, and Zapi Flow is also showing me 100 prompts. You can also upload the text file. I don't want to include it. Anything else, make sure that you are in Google Flow, otherwise this won't be connected. Okay, I have changed the folder name. From here, it might be showing you, I don't remember, I just forgot, maybe 5 to 15 seconds, but I have fixed it from 0 to 0. The reason for setting it to 0 to 0 is that it will make one image. When I was setting it from like 5 to 15, it was making 5 images of one prompt. I don't know what's the logic behind this, but I have changed it from 0 to 0, which means one image for one prompt. Food clip, make sure that auto download is on, and it will even download the image yourself. You don't need to even download the image, so it will make a folder in your on your desktop, and you have to you have to also allow it to use like your desktop, so it will just make a folder and it will include all the images itself, and you start the generation. So it automatically puts the prompt into this bar and it just started making the image. So you can just stay on this page, or you can just do whatever work. Like I go here, I do all my work, I go to Claude, I do my work. It's in the back side, it's making the images in Google Chrome. So I'm not using Google Chrome, I'm using Safari right now, so it's making the image on my back, right? If I go back to Google Chrome, image 1 is made, okay, and now it will make image 2, then image 3, and moving on, it will make you all the images. Yes, one thing that I don't like over here is that due to teaching you all so much quickly, what I don't pay attention to was this prompt. What basically that means is that it's actually changing the food item, but it's not changing the base, like it's using the same tray and same cloth. So yeah, you can also change that in the prompt. Do read your prompt before just like copy pasting it, because in my I had an error that it's showing all the foods, but it's keeping the base of the pan and the base cloth same, because I have just write in the Claude prompt to just change the food, not to change the base and to change the cloth. So if I write that, I can rewrite this prompt as well, and then I can start making it all over again. So you can see it's making hot dogs, so it's making everything at my back. I don't need to do anything. Even I'll show you on my desktop, it's even downloading. You go to food clip art, it's also downloading all the images that it's making. I don't even need to download it. I'll just get a folder with all the images. It take less than 5 minutes to do this all, and it will take like 10 minutes for the flow to just get it done, and you are done. And once it's made, I'll show you the next after some time. I have given another prompt to Claude as well, in which I have told that rewrite those prompts and do not include the rustic round serving tables, like the one that has like it was using the same base, right, for all the foods. And I have right to include its own plate and bowl, and also to change the kitchen trowel prints now. So I've changed the prompt so that I could get images like this. So Zapi Flow, I was doing my work and Zapi Flow is running in the back on Google Flow, on Google Flow and Google Chrome. So make sure you're using Google Chrome. So now it's giving different plate for all the dishes, and it's also giving different kitchen towel beneath. I'm going to show it to you. So it has actually, as I told you, that there was a fault in the previous prompt about the tray and about the mat. So it has all everything made on the tray, like the pizza tray. But it's okay, it's look good. But do you see how detailed, how much detail have it looked into while adding food and while making the clip art of it? So this is what is really important. So now, since everything is ready, it has cuisines from different parts of the world. We have kimchi, and then we have chicken roast, we have ramen, we have sushi, we have Chinese, and if we go down, we have Indian food like samosa, we have chicken, we have roll, we have dumplings, lasagna. You need to convert it to a high quality image for that, if you want to. Otherwise, I don't think so that's required, but for some people it must be required. Like obviously sometimes you want 5 minutes or something, so you just go to customize size, and since we have make it into like 1:1, you just change it and make it like 6:6 if you want to make it more high quality. Otherwise, this is a completely optional step. And yes, sometimes people you want that you should share svg clips, so I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if that's free on Canva or not, so if that's not required, you just want to sell png, you can do that. I'm going to upload like almost like 3 to 4. You can upload 100 as well. And what I do is that now this is the size. I'll make it size 6:6. Press on edit, and I'm going to upscale the image. I think so this will be done on free, and like this, like it will be done once it's you don't need to just stay on that page, work on the next one. It will take like maximum of your 5 to 10 minutes if you want to do this, and it will create a more high quality image. And then you can just like share it in the form of png, but like high quality pngs, and then you can also save it as like svgs. Also, I would also recommend you, I think so svg is in pro version, and what I would say you is that you should remove the background. That actually give like more good result. I'm going to show it to you as well, because people use it on like different layouts and different pages, so they want the background removed. Now the background over here is removed but might not be shown to you, so for that you are going to go and download as svg file and transparent background this page, and then I'm going to download as png also. So just to show you that how it does look a bit like transparent. You are going to download it as png as well, and transparent background should be on. Transparent backgrounds and background remover is a pro version. I would recommend people to actually download things in pro version. It's very important for Canva. If you're using Canva on like daily basis, and mostly pro version is going to help you freaking a lot. Like it's going to help you a lot. So switch to pro version ASAP. So it's actually looking like this without background. I think so that's perfect, right? Thanks, bye.